Are you looking forward on how to upload Reels on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. The very first step is to open your application Facebook. But you need to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. Once you open the Facebook, log into your account. Here at the top you will get to see plus icon, tap on it. The option of Reel will be visible to you. Head over to it. Tap on allow access. Again tap on allow. It will open up your gallery. Select the video that you want to upload as a reel on Facebook. So let me select this video. Now you can also add audio, text or stickers to this video. Once you are done editing the video, tap on next. You can also change the privacy settings on who can see your Reels videos. Tap on this option. If you only want your friends to see your Reels video, then you can set the settings to friends. But as I want to show it to the public, so I have set the settings to public. Once you are done, go back to the previous page. Right here you can also add some caption to your Reel video. So let me enter one hashtag. When it is ready to post, you can tap on share now. It will take a while to upload your Reel video. In order to see your Reel video, tap on this three horizontal line. Move into your profile. Scroll down to your feed. It has not been uploaded yet, so you need to wait for a while. There you go, your Reel video has been uploaded successfully. Now your friends as well as the public will be able to see your Reel video. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to upload Reels on Facebook. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.